In yesterday PPTs, you have learned about the method of finding the cube roots by prime factorization method and to make the numbers as a perfect cube either by multiplying or by dividing. Today we will deal with some other rational numbers as in a product form or is in a quotient form. Okay, so hereby cube root of a into b, that is equal to cube root of a into cube root of b. We will take one example, cube root of minus 27 into 2744. As you know, we will make the prime factor of 27 first, and then we will make the prime factor of 2744, and then we will write the statement once again. Observe it carefully. There is only one sign of negative. If there is one sign of negative, we will put outside the bracket in this way, and if there are two signs of negative, then we will cut it with each other. Okay, and then after putting negative sign outside the bracket, we will write cube root of 27 and cube root of 2744, maybe in a separate sign or in the same sign of cube root, as you can. Now write the factors of 27 and the factor of 2744. To find the cube root of this, take one factor from each group. After making triplet, take one factor from each group and then multiply all these factors to get a answer. Here minus 42 is the answer of the cube root of minus 27 into 2744. In this question, 27 is also a perfect cube and 2744 is also a perfect cube. Some more examples where both numbers are not perfect cube, but if we will write the prime factors, the whole number become perfect cube. So no need to multiply these numbers first. You will make direct factors of both the numbers. Like here, make the factors of 9 and then you will make the factor of 648 in this way, and then make group of triplets by taking 3 into 3 from first bracket and 3 from second bracket to make a group of triplet in this way. Okay, rest of the numbers are there and make the group of triplets. One more triplet, 3 into 3 into 3, and last one is 2 into 2 into 2. Now take one factor from each group and then multiply each other. You will get 18. 18 is the answer of cube root of 9 into 6, 4, 8. Now I am here one more example of finding the cube root of rational number. If E and B are perfect cubes and B is not equal to 0, means denominator not equal to 0. If denominator is equal to 0, then number can never be exist. The number cannot be defined. Okay, so denominator cannot be 0. I am going to take one example, like here cube root of minus 1024 by minus 686 is equal to cube root of 512 by 343. How will you get 512 by 343? Firstly, make it in a standard form by cutting a minus and minus, cut, and then you will divide both the number by the same digit, that is of 2, and you will get this number in the standard form 512 and 343. You will see here that 512 is a perfect cube and 343 is also a perfect cube. So, firstly, you will make the number in the standard form. Then you will start finding the cube root of the number. Okay, prime factor of 512, make it like that, and then make the prime factor of 343. In similar way, you will get 7 into 7 into 7. Write down the statement again, once again, and write it equal to cube root of numerator divided by cube root of denominator. Okay, put the sign of cube root and write all the factors of 512, and in denominator write all the factors of 343, and find the cube root of numerator as well as denominator. You will see there are three group of triplets. We will take one factor from each group and write hereby. Okay, and from denominator take 7 as a factor from a group of triplet once, and then multiply all these factors 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 8 by 7. 8 by 7 is the answer of this question. As you know, in this chapter, we have two methods to find the cube root. First one is prime factorization method and other one is estimation method. In this, we will learn about estimation method to find the cube root. Okay, this method have three steps: first, second, and third. In first step, we will make the group of the number. Okay, start from the rightmost digit and group of 3 digit in first group and rest of the digit in the second group, but not more than 3. Okay, now in second step, you will observe the unit digit of first group, unit digit of first group. Here 6 is the unit digit, and now you will observe the pattern of cube of the numbers and find the unit digit in this same as to unit digit in the first group. Okay, here in the cube of 6, unit digit is also 6 as in the unit digit of the first group. So we will take the ones digit of our required cube root is equal to 6. We will take this one. Okay, and in the third step, we will take second group, that is 17, and we will observe again the cubes of the natural numbers. You will see here that it lies between the cube of 2 and cube of 3. It means 17 lies between 8 and 27. So we will take the smaller one as a tens digit of our required cube root. Hence, cube root of 1756 is equal to 26. This is all about our second chapter. Now you can complete your second chapter. Ready?
Now I am taking one more question for finding the cube root by estimation method. Okay, in this question, same way make the groups. In first group you have number 632. Okay, and in the second group you are left with 4741. Okay, now second step, you can observe the ones digit. In ones digit is 2. Okay, as you know, cube of 8 is also 512. Unit digit of this one is also 2. Okay, So your answer is for unit place is this one, 8. Okay, 8 is the unit place digit. Clear this? Now we will take second group. In the second group we have 4741. As you know, you have a chart of cubes. Okay, you can see very easily 4741 lies between the cubic number 4096 and 4913, that is 16 cube and 17 cube. Okay, so we will take smallest one, 16. Therefore we will write here 16. So we will get the answer as, beta unit place, we have already unit place 8, and next place number, that is 16. So we will get 168 is the answer. Okay, clear this? Have a nice day, and you will do chapter second complete and try brain teaser also. Okay bache, and this question is belongs to hot one. On that enrichment questions are there, so you will try all the questions. Okay bache.